As we can see, common sense says fire burns upwards. None of the lower building was ever damaged by plane or fire. In fact, the lower part of any building has the thickest and strongest steel. By now, after 60 minutes, World Trade Center 2 has fallen straight down. Now, 90 minutes, and World Trade Center 1 has fallen straight down. Ironically, skyscrapers are actually built like pyramids, but modern steel hides this sturdy pyramid shape. Like a pyramid, the top is actually the lightest part. No steel building in human history has ever collapsed from fire. It is physically impossible. Let alone 3 steel buildings on the same day with drastically different damage.
As we can see, steel will not melt from the low burning temperatures of jet fuel or office contents, especially after only 90 minutes in duration. So now that we know that steel buildings do not just fall straight down or melt from fires, let's find out what happened on 9/11. We can use basic physics and our naked eyes to see just what happened. Here we see the explosive squibs that reveal these powerful explosives used to destroy the inner superstructure, thus leaving behind telltale squibs that are clearly visible. This is what enabled the building to collapse straight down into the direction of most resistance. Both superstructures were blown out all the way to the ground, enabling the upper floors to fall at free fall speed straight down. The explosives used on the outer superstructure shot steel beams horizontally all the way across the street, where they impaled themselves into neighboring buildings. Notice the liquid fire that is shooting out from the thickest and strongest part of the undamaged building, well below the collapse line. Remember, all this is happening at free fall speeds in 11 seconds, according to NIST, through one of the strongest steel buildings ever built by modern man. Here is another simple example. The following steel soup cans have been in my fireplace for 1 month with a very heavy granite rock on top. Nothing happening here. Heck, go drive your car cross country or cook on your stove all day long and your steel will also not melt. It appears that only with government conspiracy theories does steel melt like this.